The reason why newbie blow their account during their challenging in profit and also blow their account when they are trading their private account is that they jump from one strategy to another strategy. Hello guys, my name is Efusa. For example, if one strategy is not working for them, they are going to look for another strategy that will work. Okay, so but let me tell you, it's not about your strategy, it's about how do you trust your strategy and your psychology as well. But in this video, I'm going to show you my strategy overview, what I'm using to trade. But I'm not going to do all the video explaining everything to you, but I'm going to be doing series of video explaining, for example, like how the low of the week, psychological level, trend line, W pattern, M pattern. Sometimes I use indicators, so I will be showing you in each video so that you will understand how they works. And also I will create another video to combine them together, that way that you will see how I combine it together to create a strategy for myself that really work for me. So that's the reason why I'm creating this video. I hope you will enjoy it. So now, in my strategy overview, in a higher low of the week, it's just a candlestick that the first candlesticks that appear on Monday and the last candlesticks that appear on Sunday. So I'm just going to put something on top of the candlesticks and put something on the low of the candlesticks to determine the direction where price is going. Okay, so I'm just going to explain a little here, but I'm just going to do a video, deal with it, show you how I plot it. Okay, then psychological level, so psychological level is where price will go react. Psychological level is just like an what am I going to say? It's just like a support and resistance. Okay, so I'm not going to go deeper in this video. I'm still going to show you, create a video on psychological level, how I use it, how it works for me. Okay, so now then trend line 2, I'm going to create a video on trend line, how you can plot your trend line that works, because sometimes if you does not plot the trend line well, you will have a very big problem. So I'm going to show you how I plot my trend line, how you could plot a trend line so that you will really use the advantage of trend line to make money for yourself. And also W pattern and M pattern, I am going to show you, because the W pattern and M pattern is the pattern I'm used to confirm the market. Okay, so I use it to confirm confirm the market before I will enter the trade. So sometimes I will add an indicator to it just for confirmation. So that is what I use it for. I use it just for confirmation. Let me just give you a little for example, like psychological line might be something that I can plot. So I'm just going to give an example. So as I said earlier, I'm going to create a video in individual line, how it works. So I'm not just going to tell you how I plot it right now. Let's assume this is a psychological line. Market is just moving higher high, we have higher low, higher high, we have higher low, higher high, we have higher low. For example, so what I will do, just create a trend line, like, so I can have my trend line here. Okay, so now if I'm going to take, so as you can see, if I'm, let's zoom in. Okay, okay, yeah, let me just do it where exactly how I take this trade. For example, like, okay, so if I'm going to, let's zoom in, these are the markets. So if I'm going to take here, let's assume this is where I'm going to enter the market. Okay, so allow the market to come to a psychological line and trend line. Then here I'm going to allow price to give me W pattern. This W pattern here before I could take the market. So I'm not going to show you everything here. So I'm just going to tell you how. I'm just going to tell you what we are going to be, what I'm going to be teaching you in this series of my strategy overview. Today's strategy overview. So I'm just going to teach you how psychological line work, how higher low of the day, higher low of the week work. Then W and M pattern, how I use it to confirm my market before we enter the market, and also sometimes I add indicator to it, sometimes I don't. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm doing this video. I hope this video is helpful, and so I want you to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I start creating all these videos, start explaining the higher low of the week, psychological level, trend line, and W pattern and M pattern with indicator, so that you can get information that I've already put the video there, so that you can go and watch the video. So I will create a playlist that will enable you to watch all the video, how I will explain everything, and also put everything together. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you very much. Please remember to give us thumbs up, remember to share our video, and also subscribe to our channel. God bless you. Bye bye.